Jared, where are your goldfish, buddy?
Papa.
What's going on over here?
Huh?
Where are the fish?
Uh-oh.
Yeah, did you do that? You like fish? Does Mommy like fish too?
Thank you. Are they all gone? All gone. Where's more? Where's more? Yeah, you can have some more.